Welcome to Qualvision. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to play back and clip footage on NVRs. Stay with us. Go to the playback interface. Select a camera from the camera list. Select the date and time in the calendar table. Click Search and play back the video file. Select the playback start time by clicking or dragging on the timeline. Click the scissors icon to start editing the video. Select the end of playback time in the same way. Click the scissors icon again to complete the video clip. Click File icon to enter the file management page. Select a file. Click Backup. Select File Format. And click Start to complete the backup operation. Thank you for watching. Secure our life through Qualvision.